Here we go. Here's what we're going to do, right? Me and Kev are going to have a handstand competition, okay? Who can hold the handstand the longest? I'm not allowed to walk, but Kev can walk. You can walk in your handstand, and we're going to have a handstand competition.
Gosh, yeah.
Here's what we're going to do, okay? Here we go. Session number 2 at form. Today we're going to work more on the upper body rather than the legs. Kevin's got more details on that.
We're going to go strict pressing, push press, push jerk, and then see how you're moving and try and progress into your Olympic lift of the split jerk. Okay.
Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen.
I was moving all over the place.
Oh, okay. That's alright. It's alright, I can cut that out. So this week we worked towards learning the split jerk as seen here. We started with the strip press, which isolates the key movement of the exercise, getting the bar from the shoulders up in front of the face and overhead. The bar has to go straight up and back down in one line. As you can see, the grip is just wider than the shoulders, then you tuck the chin in and the bar will almost scrape your nose as you press it up. Preparing for the push press, we first practiced the dip alone. Then using the dip to make the bar pop off the shoulders. And finally we put the movements together and completed the push press. Firstly with a pause after the dip, and then all as one motion. Control the dip down, then explode the bar overhead. Again, we started simple in preparation for the push jerk. This is similar to the snatch balance with footwork we did last week, except we pressed the bar overhead from a front squat stance rather than back squat. Also for this we used the dip we practiced earlier before going up onto our toes and dropping into the squat position. When comfortable, take away the pause. Bring in the bar first with a pause until the positions are again correct, then take away the pause. Make sure the final squat position isn't too deep. This is so the bar stays overhead. If the squat is too deep, the arms will naturally come forward, which is not ideal for heavier weights. Finally moving on to the split jerk. As you can see here, my lunge was quite narrow, my back leg was too bent and the knee was too low. What we want to see is the foot further back and wider, creating a larger surface area for control. Before moving forward, practice pressing a pipe or a bar in the split position. When standing up, ensure that the front leg moves in first, then the back leg comes in. Once this is all good and comfortable, add some weight to the bar and increase that challenge.